Today we have the Brooks Ghost 14 shoe. I've never purchased a pair of Brooks before in my life. For the last 30 years, I have exclusively bought Nikes. I was able to get the previous model, the Ghost 14, they're currently on the 15, online through Brooks directly for a nice discount of about 35% or $50 off. Now the box came, great shipping, great communication, arrived super fast. The box looks pretty good, has a nice little emblem here, run happy. I think that's kind of nice. The box they ship the shoes in is kind of weird. The box is way bigger than a shoe box, so you can hear it sliding around. I don't know, I think that's weird. You would think they would ship it in a box that would allow for minimal movement. So with that, let's open these up. Here we go. First ever Brooks shoes I'm about to take out of the box. Here we are. Okay. The box is nice. It's a pretty box. I like that. So we're gonna open these up and we will see what they look like. Ooh, they do have some nice packaging, a bunch of, I don't know, information. As you can see, it came packaged. When I bought Nikes recently, the last couple times, they were just a pair of shoes thrown into a box. I'm like, did I order this from some third-party site posing as Nike? It was weird. Ghost 14. Ooh, they're pretty. They're pretty. I'm happy about this so far. They are pretty. Look at that. I tend to dress kind of boring, but so I wanted to get some shoes with a little bit of color on them. So I got the blue Brooks symbol with the red bottoms. Part of the reason I've stayed with Nike is I've always worn 10.5. 10.5 for like 30 years. But since I was going with a new company, I felt like I should go try them on. And I actually wear an 11 in Brooks. Okay, so there's not a ton of fanfare. There's no inserts in them, but it is nice, right? Okay, so like just subtleties in the unboxing experience. The laces are kind of wrapped up nice. I mean, you don't need to waste paper by putting paper inside the shoe and stuff, but they look good. Just a little bit of fanfare. It's nice. I'm happy with the unboxing experience so far. Oh my gosh, that smells good. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, that smells good. I love the smell of a new pair of shoes. Dang. My last few Nikes did not smell this good. I like it. Okay, I'm happy with how they look. I'm happy with the unboxing experience. Now, let's put them on my feet. Ooh, feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. Yep. Size feels right. Okay. Do just a little bit of walking here. They feel good. So, on first impressions, I'm happy with the unboxing experience. I'm happy with how they look. I'm happy with how they feel. I'm happy with how they fit. And I look forward to trying them out. I got a trip coming up, so that'll be a good time, probably with a lot of walking. So I'll really get to see how they feel initially, and then over time. I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.